In 2008, Dan Thurman ran a magnificent performance lab in Las Vegas. And he invited all the creative people that we would love to meet, like producers of a Cirque du Soleil, screenwriters. Rich Little opened with famous people I know and have been. And one of the screenwriters on the second day gave us the simple formula that all Hollywood blockbusters follow. And it works in our stories. A day in the life. Every movie you are introduced to the protagonist, the hero, the person that you see the story through their eyes. So Mary had a problem. Now you know her backstory. That's the day in the life. And then in a movie, something happens. That is the inciting incident. In our stories, that's where Dan walks out and says, we're being sued. And in a movie, it's the result of that is and the result of that is, which is exactly the same in our stories and our speeches.